I'm going to be showing you how to edit your video from this to this. Are you tired of your video looking dull, dark, and plain? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube video bright and clear with your Android phone. For this tutorial, you don't need a camera or an iPhone. Stay glued to the end while I walk you through step by step on how to level up your video quality. In these tutorials, we are going to be making use of two apps, which is your CapCut and your InShot. So if you don't have these apps, I would advise you to go to your Play Store and download CapCut and InShot. Now, without wasting of our time, let's dive in.
Yeah, so what we're going to do right now is to click on our app. We'll be making use of CapCut app first. So you tap on CapCut. If you don't have it, you go download it. Then you click on new project over here at the top. Okay, we're going to be making use of, let's see. Okay, let's make use of this video. Yes, add. Okay, this video will be making use of. Let me just cut this part out. Yeah, so this is the video we are going to be making use of. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the video over here and you're going to scroll below here. Keep scrolling. Now you can see adjust is in between auto frame and video quality. All right, now you tap on adjust. Now this is how it has displayed. You can see color match, color correction. Those ones are on pro version. You can see brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliant, sharpen, clarity, HSL. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on brilliant, okay, and increase it. Okay, don't forget we are not working just on this app, so we are not going to be increasing it so much because we are still going to work on our InShot app. After doing that, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on clarity. Okay, now let's increase the clarity. Let's see. This is much. Okay, so I'm going to be using 10. Now I'm using 10 because I am also going to edit it on InShot, so I wouldn't want the editing to look so much. Now you click here. Now if the video clip here is more than one, if the video you joined is more than one, you just tap on apply to all. Okay, but mine is just this one video, so I'll just go ahead and click on this sign over here. Yes, now the next thing you'd want to do is to scroll backward and you're going to see retouch. Okay, you're going to see retouch. Retouch is in between remove background and camera tracking. Okay, so you tap on retouch, having a female head sign here. Now we see face and body. You click on face. All right, now what you're going to do now is to click on smooth. You can see there's smooth, there is skin tone, smile line, but you're just going to use smooth. Now if your face is extremely rough, you increase it. Okay, you increase it, but mine, my face is not really rough, my face is not rough, so I'm just going to increase it to 5 just for this tutorial sake. Just for the tutorial sake, I don't usually make use of it, but for the tutorial sake, for those who need it, okay, you adjust it to your desired taste, then you click on save. Okay, now after doing this, we're going to go ahead to export this video. Now note, before exporting the video, make sure you've added whatever feature you want to add, whatever thing you want to add, whatever editing you want to do. Make sure you are done with it on CapCut because there are some things that are not on InShot. Okay, so you make sure you are done with everything you need to do here on CapCut. Then we are going to export our video. All right, waiting for it to download. Okay, we're almost done. Yes, so we're going to go ahead to tap on done over here. Done. Now let's go back to our InShot app. Go back to your InShot app. Okay, you click on video. You click on video, then you tap on new. Okay, this plus sign. Now you can see our video. This is our video that we worked on CapCut. So let's tap on it. Yeah, you click on this green sign over here. Okay, now this is the InShot watermark. Nothing to worry about. You just have to press free remove. Okay, yours might display ads for you to watch. All right, before it remove, it's no problem. Just watch the ads, and after done, that's here we are. Now, so what you're going to do now on InShot, you're going to look over here. You can see effects, right? You click on effects. You click on effects, and you can now see adjust over here. You tap on adjust. Now, one good thing I love about InShot is while editing, your video can be playing, so you can see what you're working on. All right.
I'm
Now,
going to be showing you.
let me reduce the volume. Okay. So now we're going to increase this lightness. Okay. That was why I did not work on it on CapCut. I did not increase the brightness on CapCut. So we are going to increase it here. You can see this is too much. So we're going to bring it down here like this. Okay. So 10 is okay. Now let's look at contract. Okay, now we tap on contract. All right, and increase contract. Okay, okay, I'm back. Yes, now let's increase. Okay, it's blurry over here. Now you're going to increase contract. Okay, now you can see it's too much. So we're going to just put it at 8 is okay for me, depending on your preference. Now let's click on saturation. Okay, you can see increase saturation. I think 8 is okay. Okay, 9. Then you come back to warm. Okay, now look, here we go. Yes, so 6 is okay for me. Now you scroll down and go to sharpen. Okay, and increase it. Here you can see it's sharpened. Okay, let's reduce it. Okay, I think I am okay with 19. All right, I think I'm okay with 19. Yes, I'm okay with 19. So this is 8. I've increased it 19. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on this mark over here. After clicking on it, okay, so we'll still click on this mark sign over here. Okay, click on it. Now this is what our video look like. Okay, now you can see the brightness has changed, everything has changed about the video. Now after doing this, you can go ahead to add whatever you want to add to this video. Okay, there are some features I also used to add here, like my subscribe button and the rest of it. Okay, so this is it. Now you can see how it is. Yeah, you can see how it is. The color, everything has brightened up and it's looking better. So after that, you can go ahead and click on export over here. And once you export the video, it's going to download and go straight to your gallery. I don't want to export it because of my phone memory, so you just export and voila, you're done. Alright, if you want me to film a video on how I was able to remove my video background and make it blurry, you can let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do just that. See you next time on my next video.